Dolphins. They're playful, intelligent, and among the most beloved creatures in the ocean. But beneath that friendly smile lies a world of surprising biology, complex behavior, and even a few secrets that most people have never heard of. Today on the Mind Metrics, we're diving deep into the blue to uncover 30 amazing dolphin facts you didn't know. From their hidden superpowers to their incredible social lives, these facts will change the way you see dolphins forever. Fact 1. Dolphins are not fish, they're mammals. This might seem obvious, but it's a critical distinction. Dolphins breathe air through a blowhole on top of their heads, not gills. They're warm-blooded, meaning their bodies maintain a constant internal temperature regardless of the water around them. Unlike fish that lay eggs, dolphins give birth to live young, and mothers nurse calves with milk from mammary glands. In many ways, dolphins are closer to us than to the fish swimming beside them, which explains their remarkable ability to bond with humans. Fact 2, there are over 40 species of dolphins. When most people picture a dolphin, they think of the common bottlenose, but the dolphin family is far more diverse. There are sleek oceanic species like the spinner dolphin, famous for its acrobatic leaps, and small coastal species like the Hector's dolphin in New Zealand, one of the rarest and tiniest dolphins, barely longer than a tall human. On the other end of the spectrum, the mighty orca or killer whale can grow over 30 feet long and weigh 6 tons, making it the largest dolphin of all. Fact 3, dolphins are among the smartest animals on Earth. Relative to body size, dolphins have some of the largest brains in the animal kingdom. Their brains feature a highly developed neocortex, the area associated with problem solving, emotional understanding, and memory. Scientists have observed dolphins using tools like covering their rostrums, snouts, with marine sponges to prevent cuts while searching for fish among coral. They've also been seen working together in coordinated hunts, showing a level of strategy and planning once thought unique to humans. Fact 4. Dolphins communicate with clicks, whistles, and body language. Communication in dolphins is astonishingly complex. Their clicks are used primarily for echolocation, bouncing sound waves off objects to see with sound. Whistles, however, serve as social signals. Each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle, essentially their name, which other dolphins can use to call them across distances. On top of this, body slaps, leaps, and even synchronized swimming behaviors are used to send visual messages to their pod. Fact 5, dolphins use echolocation to see underwater. Sound travels almost 5 times faster in water than in air, making echolocation the perfect adaptation for hunting in the ocean. Dolphins send out rapid clicks, then interpret the returning echoes to determine the size, shape, and even the internal structure of objects. This ability is so precise that dolphins can differentiate between a hollow metal sphere and a solid one, even if they look identical. It's like having built-in sonar more advanced than any human submarine. Fact 6, dolphins have excellent vision both in and out of water. Dolphins' eyes are specially adapted to handle the refraction differences between air and water. This means they can see clearly both above and below the surface, something humans struggle with without goggles. Their retinas contain a high concentration of rod cells, giving them excellent night vision. Even in murky waters, dolphins can detect movement from far away, combining sharp eyesight with their sonar-like echolocation for a near 360-degree awareness of their surroundings. Fact 7, dolphins only sleep with half their brain at a time. Unlike humans, dolphins can't fall completely unconscious because they need to consciously surface for air. Instead, they rest one hemisphere of their brain, while the other stays alert to handle breathing and watch for predators. This unique sleep system, called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, allows them to nap while still swimming slowly and staying aware of their environment. Imagine being able to sleep while keeping one eye literally open. Fact 8, they can hold their breath for up to 10 minutes. On average, dolphins come up for air every 2 to 3 minutes. But when needed, such as during long dives for prey, some species can stay submerged for as long as 10 minutes. Their lungs are highly efficient, exchanging up to 80% of the air with each breath, compared to humans at around 17%. This lets them maximize oxygen storage and survive longer underwater than most land mammals could imagine. Fact 9, dolphins use cooperative hunting strategies. One of the most remarkable dolphin behaviors is their teamwork. In some parts of the world, pods herd fish into tight balls, then take turns swimming through to feed. In Florida, bottlenose dolphins have been seen working with local fishermen, driving fish toward nets in exchange for an easy meal. In Brazil, a similar partnership has lasted generations, with fishermen recognizing certain dolphins that consistently help out during hunts. Fact 10, dolphins have been known to save humans. There are countless stories of dolphins guiding lost swimmers back to shore, circling around divers to protect them from sharks, or even lifting injured sailors above the surface to breathe. While scientists caution against over-romanticizing these tales, there's no denying that dolphins have displayed remarkable altruistic behavior, even toward humans they don't know. Fact 11, each dolphin has a unique signature whistle. Like a human name, a dolphin's signature whistle is a sound pattern unique to them, developed during their first year of life. Dolphins use these whistles to call out to each other across long distances. What's even more fascinating is that other dolphins can imitate a signature whistle, essentially calling out a specific dolphin by name. This ability suggests dolphins may be among the few animals capable of symbolic communication. Fact 12, dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. Self-recognition is a rare trait, found in only a few species like humans, apes, and elephants. Dolphins pass the mirror test, showing awareness that their reflection is themselves, not another dolphin. This level of self-awareness is a key marker of advanced intelligence and consciousness, placing dolphins in an elite group of animals with minds surprisingly close to ours. Fact 13, they can heal incredibly fast. Dolphins sometimes survive shark bites or severe wounds that would be fatal to other animals. Their bodies seem to produce natural antibiotics and regenerative compounds that prevent infection and speed up healing. Scientists are studying dolphin tissue recovery, hoping it could inspire new human medical treatments for severe injuries. Fact 14, dolphins have complex social structures. Dolphins live in pods of 10 to 30 individuals, but these groups often merge into superpods of hundreds or even thousands. Within pods, dolphins form tight friendships, alliances, and even political-like hierarchies. Males sometimes team up in coalitions to court females, while females form protective groups to care for calves. Their societies are so intricate that some scientists compare them to early human tribes. Fact 15, they use tools. In Shark Bay, Australia, researchers discovered bottlenose dolphins using sponges as protective gloves over their snouts while searching for food on rough seabeds. This behavior is passed down through generations, making it one of the few documented cases of animal culture, where learned behavior spreads socially rather than genetically. Fact 16, dolphins give themselves names. Building on their signature whistles, studies show dolphins respond specifically to their own whistle, even when played back through speakers, just like humans respond to their name being called in a crowd. This suggests not only communication, but also the concept of individual identity, something very few species demonstrate. Fact 17, they can jump up to 20 feet out of the water. Dolphins are known for their acrobatics, breaching, tail walking, and spinning through the air. Scientists believe these spectacular leaps serve multiple purposes: shaking off parasites, communicating over long distances, stunning fish, or simply playing. Whatever the reason, these performances show just how strong and athletic dolphins really are. Fact 18, dolphins are playful, and play has a purpose. From riding waves to playing catch with seaweed, dolphins engage in constant play. Juveniles even surf in the wake of boats. Play isn't just fun. It builds social bonds, sharpens hunting skills, and strengthens muscles. In fact, scientists consider play a marker of intelligence, since it requires creativity and imagination. Fact 19, dolphins can shut down parts of their body to conserve oxygen. When diving, dolphins slow their heart rate and redirect blood flow only to essential organs like the brain and heart. This diving reflex allows them to stretch oxygen supplies far longer than humans could. It's part of why freedivers study dolphins, hoping to learn from their efficiency. Fact 20, They use bubble nets to hunt. Some dolphin pods blow rings of bubbles around schools of fish, trapping them like a net. Once the fish are corralled, the dolphins swim through and feast. This strategy shows not only intelligence but also creativity, using the environment as a tool to make hunting easier. Fact 21. Dolphins can swim up to 37 kilometers per hour, 23 miles per hour. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies and powerful tails make dolphins some of the fastest marine mammals. They use this speed to chase prey, evade predators, and perform high leaps. For perspective, Michael Phelps, the fastest human swimmer, tops out around 6 miles per hour, meaning dolphins cruise nearly 4 times faster. Fact 22. Dolphins have strong mother-calf bonds. Mothers nurse their calves for up to 2 years, teaching them survival skills, hunting techniques, and social behaviors. Calves rarely leave their mother's side during this period. The emotional connection between mother and calf is so strong that other pod members sometimes help care for calves in a behavior called alloparenting. Fact 23. Dolphins are known to grieve. There are heartbreaking observations of dolphins carrying dead calves for days, refusing to let go. While scientists debate the meaning, it's clear dolphins experience strong emotions and possibly grief, putting them among the few animals capable of deep mourning behaviors. Fact 24, they have different dialects. Just as human languages vary by region, dolphin whistles and clicks differ between populations. A pod in one part of the world may speak differently than another, and dolphins can even adjust their communication style depending on who they're interacting with. This suggests culture and regional traditions, not just instinct. Fact 25. Dolphins sometimes practice altruism. Beyond helping humans, dolphins have been observed assisting other injured dolphins, supporting them at the surface to breathe. In one case, a pod was seen carrying a paralyzed dolphin, taking turns so it wouldn't drown. This level of empathy and cooperation is rare in the animal kingdom. Fact 26. Dolphins can live up to 60 years. While average lifespans vary by species, bottlenose dolphins can live around 40 to 50 years, with some females reaching 60. Orcas, the largest dolphins, can live even longer, with some matriarchs estimated to be over 90 years old. Longevity is another indicator of their advanced biology and social structures. Fact 27. They sleep in groups for safety. Since dolphins are vulnerable when resting, pods often sleep together, with individuals taking turns keeping watch. This safety in numbers strategy reduces the risk of predator attacks from sharks or orcas. Fact 28. Dolphins are apex predators. Despite their friendly image, dolphins sit at the top of the food chain in many ecosystems. Orcas, for example, hunt seals, whales, and even sharks. Bottlenose dolphins dominate coastal waters with few natural predators other than large sharks. Their intelligence and teamwork make them formidable hunters. Fact 29. Dolphins inspire human technology. Engineers study dolphin skin, which reduces drag and turbulence, to design more efficient submarines and ships. Their echolocation has inspired advances in sonar and even medical ultrasound technology. In many ways, dolphins have become teachers for human science. Fact 30. Dolphins are threatened by human activity. Pollution, fishing nets, and habitat destruction pose major risks. Thousands of dolphins die every year from entanglement or bycatch in commercial fishing. Noise pollution from ships and sonar interferes with their echolocation, disorienting pods. Conservation efforts worldwide are critical to protecting these intelligent marine mammals. And there you have it, 30 amazing dolphin facts you didn't know. From their half-brain sleep to their bubble net hunting, dolphins prove to be some of the most intelligent, adaptable, and awe-inspiring animals on Earth. Which fact amazed you the most? Was it their ability to heal wounds, their underwater sonar, or the way they can recognize themselves in mirrors? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another fact-filled dive from the Mind Metrics. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.